Hi everyone. So today our topic is like how to get job and how to stay in abroad, right? I told it right. Uh, so abroad job, how you need to get it is first thing, uh, you need to be very disciplined. See, it is according to me, and if it is in case it is like a middle class people, I'm just telling myself. See, even if you go to rich people, it will be in like some other way of point of themselves because they can afford so many things, and they can visit like not visit, they can go and study in abroad countries and they can get it abroad job easily. But I am telling you in a middle class point of view, what I'm telling is, see, suppose if you want to get job in abroad, see, my childhood dream is that, see, I want to be visit at least once in a life abroad. So, but my case, I'm thinking when I got job, when I got after graduation, my graduation become computers done. I got job, and after that also, once while doing job only, I did MBA also, my post graduation. So this is my difficulty in studying MBA. So my parents are not able to afford me for doing MBA at least. So what I done, I just take an exam in India, my state, some set exam, CET exam. Then I completed MBA while doing job also, while doing job on job. Then after that, what happened? See, I will tell. I completed, and then see, now I have post graduation degree also, both I have. Then when coming to reality to get abroad job, see, first you should be like a strong motivation from childhood onwards. You need to be like self motivated. My parents never told me to go abroad. No, you need to go abroad and you need to work. You need to work like that. They never said for me. So what I'm telling is, you should be motivative, you should be self motivative, and you have to be work with parents, and you have to be irresponsible all activities from right from childhood. Then only you will get responsibility what family will give you. See, my family, my mother and parents, my father is, he didn't tell me any work, but my mother always pushed me to do work, push me to do a work every time. So she is sending all the places, go this work, go to this work, do this work, do that work. So what I'm okay. See, as a mother, she is telling, I cannot able to tell her that I cannot do it, right? See, I need to do it because my situation is like that time. So I have done all that work. So after that, what happened? So I gradually become like a responsible person from right childhood. So all activities I activate, all activities like in home related, my family related, all activities I will be actively participated. So that what happened? I become, unknowingly I become a responsible person in my family. So what I done? I'm doing while doing work, whatever my mother used to say me, I did my work along with my studies also. So what happened? I became self-motivated, and my mother also never told me to study this one, study that one, because they are middle class and they don't know anything regarding studies. So after that, what happened? When my plus two completed, my family got some problems, and it is a big problem. Like, I cannot explain you all problems, whatever we face. But that time I feel very strongly motivated. Then that time I got plus two, and I have got good percentage. Like in accounts, I got 99% marks. You know, in my hometown, I got 99% marks in a commerce and accountancy. So after that, what happened? Then my parents moved to suddenly where Bangalore they moved and they worked there. As a middle class family, they moved there and I studied alone degree. And after that, I joined with them in Bangalore and I worked along with them 5 years. So in 5 years, what happened? 2 years I completed MBA, and after 4 years, I done. After 4 years, I got a good opportunity in one company, and 4.5 years I worked in that company. So I got good exposure and good learnings, so that I can be. I feel I got a good opportunity in that company. Prior to that, again I'm saying 2.5 years I worked with some company where there is like some my managers are very good people, so they assign me every work. They're not only assigning to me work, and they pushed me. I only self-motivated. I only approach them, and I am trying to go. I told them to do. I will do this work so that I can enhance my skills. Like that, I convinced them. Then they believed me, and they sent to me abroad. Not abroad. They sent to me other plants as well. In Bangalore, from other plants I went. So I studied there also, new set of plants. So what I got is, I look into after that new plant also. So there I got all knowledge. So what I will tell you is, once you do all activities, it's like see, this one subject I will, if you take one subject, one subject means this is not about one chapter or one question. You need to be like take all activities. If it is one company, if you know about one department, you will not get anything. You should be knowing all things. So then only you will get you can able to run business, or you can able to do your job. Then only you can get a job. So what I'm telling is, you have to motivate you. You have to be purposeful in your life. You have to be responsible for your family. You think that you came from middle class family, then only you can do it your works. See why I am telling myself like this. See, my video will go to anywhere in the world, and they have to work. Whoever middle class people, they are just watching reels and they are time passing. They are not thinking about their future, what our parents they are doing for them. See, parents ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళు ఆలోచించట్లేదు. They have to think about their parents. See, then what happened? See, suddenly when I completed like that, then I got a job opportunity in abroad. So what I am telling is, you have to get opportunity in abroad, or you have to get opportunity in good company. First, you need to build strong motivation skills, complete knowledge upon the project, complete knowledge upon the business, and you have to study about the company, you have to study about the people, you have to study up the management skills. Then only you can able to get it. Otherwise you should not get it anything. In this present world, nobody will push you to do these things, that things. In fact, they will not help you. What they will do, alternatively they will use you. Okay, let them use, but however they are using you, that usage, what you have to do, you have to take it as a positive way, and you have to work on that. Then only you can able to survive in life. Okay, so what I am telling is, so you have to get abroad job means like strong motivation skills. First point, right from childhood, and you have to be in same domain. You have to be, don't switch jobs like 6 months once, or 1 month one job, or you have to be like, okay, if I go to IT job, there will be praxis is there. Okay, I will go IT job and I will get 1 lakh salary, and okay, 3 months only that person is getting 1 lakh salary without experience. He is putting fake experience. Don't think about those things. See, if you put fake experience, You maybe get a job now, but if once they will find out your certificates and your experience, then you will not be get it. What I'm telling is, you have to be work on some years, like 3 to 5 years, one organization. Then only you can able to move on to another company. Then in that wherever you are working in one company, you have to be in very responsible person. See, even my case, I am telling that. See, I worked for only some part of activities I was doing, so I am not able to get more knowledge. But what I have done, by God grace, previous company I worked like one manufacturing sector I worked, and I got all knowledge. So that what happened, even see, manufacturing sector, whatever I worked company, that is a small company, like domestic company. But what happened after that? After that, what happened? I moved to big company, right? Big company. If you go to MNC's companies, what they will do? They will give some sort of like one small portion they will give. They will not give entire process. You don't know how many departments will be there in MNC companies. There are like hundreds of departments, hundreds of types of activities, 100 types of roles, responsibilities will be there. So what I'm telling is, you need to study it and you need to cope up with whatever activities you are doing. You have to understand why you are doing this activity, what is the reason. If you're doing this activity, where it will affect, where it will go, then only you can understand. If you are doing like systematic way, or like, okay, they're doing, okay, I'm doing, completing activity without knowledge, so you will not learn anything. So I'm also like that only. See, I worked in around 5 years. I didn't think about what effect will give if I will work. So now when I move to abroad, I am getting things like, if I do this one, it will affect where it will affect and what result will come. Then who will suffer doing if I will do this activity like this. So now then what happened? Precisely or consciously, you will only understand the pain. See, doing your job is like they're paying salary, right? For paying salary, what you need to do is, you need to justice to job. Then only you will understand and you will happy, and business side also happy. So that is what I am trying to say is, but I will get a little bit emotional, but it's okay. So abroad job, I told you have to get it like this. You have to build strong career, and you don't need to switch your domains. You have to be very patient in life, and you need to cope up with people. You need to be in strong motivative, and you need to be in align with people. You don't need to be argue with people. You have to be aligned with all people. You have to analyze the skills, and you have to study well, and accordingly market prices and market rates, you can estimate yourself with salaries, and you can search based on market rates and market job surveys. Job surveys means market, like whatever we have, like websites, right? In websites you will get it. So that's what I am telling. And once you move from abroad, life will be start from day one. Once you landed in abroad, it will start from life again. Second life it will start. So it will teach you so many things, like how you want to survive in life, how you want to do your job, how you need to be responsible for that job, and all things will teach you. And sometimes life will teach you, even if you have money, you cannot buy a food also. So what I'm telling you, you understand, I think. If you have money also, you cannot able to eat properly, because wherever you are in hometown place, whatever you are eating, that food here you will not get it. If you are a family, you can get it with your parents, and they can prepare for you. But here what happened? Nobody will cook for you. Nobody will ask you what you are doing. So once you move to abroad, you have to be very responsible person, and you have to be very be polite and you have to be very trustful to employer. And see, if you employer once employer want to hire you means he will consider all things like how much experience you have, like how many years you worked in one organization, what type of organization you work, and how you are working, and what is your expectations, and what worth you are having, and how you can manage the team, how long you can stay here without your family. These things and all they will consider. And once they believe you, they will support like anything to you. They will give you all facilities and they will support you, they will motivate you, they will give they will give good opportunities over in abroad also, so you can learn more things. See, even I don't know blogging, but now how I am coming and doing blogging, you just ask, if you are seeing this video as my friend, you check with my world friends how I was in that world company and how I was there that time. But now I am talking, I'm explaining things. I moved to abroad. After that, I can explain you things like you people, how you need to get job like me. So don't think about others also. Build character yourself and be honestly yourself and do your work properly. Then nobody will stop you. Wherever you are, if you are a diamond, if you are in a mud also, someday you will get it out. Someday you will get it out and somebody will take you out. If you are a diamond, take example as a diamond. Take example as a gold. See, gold, you know, right? It will go deep in like miles of depth. They will go and they will bring gold mines. KGF story, you know. See, gold is like that only. So like you think about yourself as a gold. You have to be very honestly and you have to be very polite your job, and you have to be very, you don't think about, okay, my boss is not looking at me so I can enjoy like that. You should not think like that. You have to be responsible for your job. You have to be bear your job. You have to respect your job. You have to be motivate yourself. You have to be contact with your boss every time. You have to be ask your boss like what is my how I doing things, I'm going well or not. You have to check with your boss also. Then he can guide you whenever if you have anything done wrong, just talk with your manager, then he will guide you. So this is about briefly abroad job opportunities. See, abroad is not like a big thing. See, I am telling in my view, like middle class people mentality. I told you. See, even rich people, they can go abroad and they will get it jobs. But that thing I am not explain like other bloggers. I am not copying things from other YouTubers or other vloggers. I just telling myself in a middle class point of view. I am not telling about like rich point of view. Rich people can pay money and they can get it job. But for you, who will get it? You need to get it. You need to study. You need to understand the concept. You need to understand the principles. You need to understand the morals. Then only you will success in life. So, see, you again I am telling, you should be make a big dream. Then only at least you can reach somewhere to there. Some point of time, you maybe will reach. If you are ethically, morally, strongly, if you are in that, if you are in right attitude, if you are in the right track, God will definitely help you. God will definitely help you. God will definitely take you without doubt. If anyone can push you to, or anyone, if they are not supporting you also, anyone is hiding, they are not, what I am saying, they are not supporting you also, you will be, one day you will get time. One day you will get time, and one day you will reach heights of life. Then you will feel that, oh God, this is my life. See how where I before where I was, now where I am in. You think that it is like a miracle. It is a feeling, it is a one feeling. Like a middle class people, it is like a one feeling that nobody teach you. This generation, these things you do, those things you need to do like that. So you need to be always self-motivative, and you need to be always hard work. And you think that elevators is like success is not like elevator or going in lift. It will be always in steps for us, like middle class people. You study hard, work hard, be honest, be self motivated, and always help to your family. Always take blessings from your family, especially from mother. Then once mother will support you, once mother will be with you, she is like a goddess to you. Mother is trusting you, mother is giving blessings to you, means you will be like somewhere, you will definitely get survive. So don't get caused to miserable for mother sadness. So always take blessings from mother, parents, and both father and mother. Then with their blessings you will be getting good job, good position, good heights in career. Okay, that's all. It's already like 20 minutes video. See, even if I am talking wrong things, please forgive me. I am just telling myself because India is like 150 crore people, and they are like 150 crore people is there, means see how we can survive in life. We need to be study, or we need to be like do something, right? See, you think about yourself. First you select your career, which option you want to do. Like you want to do business or you want to do career, think about that one and take right decision or move on. And don't switch in between, like okay, I will do this one, I will do after that one. Continuously do one thing, continuously get knowledge, continuously do things, take inspiration from others, and don't compare with others. Take it take it inspiration from other people, but don't compare with others. Okay, they are doing that one, so what I need to do. So this is about abroad life and abroad job opportunities. So thank you, signing off.